All right, so we're diving into crypto predictions.
Yeah. Predictions for 2025.
For 2025,
Buckle up.
you handed us a whole stack of articles.
Some familiar names in here.
Yeah, some familiar names.
Abu,
Cardano,
Carvana.
and a few that
That have piqued your interest, I think.
yeah, piqued our interest.
A few newcomers.
It's that classic mix,
Bullish enthusiasm.
bullish enthusiasm,
Cautious warning.
cautious warnings you always see with crypto.
Yeah.
But we're going beyond just
The prediction.
just reading the tea leaves.
And just throw out numbers.
We're going to break down what makes these projects tick.
Right.
Sift through the hype.
Cover the opportunities.
Uncover opportunities and the risks that come with them.
Yeah.
You clearly like to stay ahead of the curve.
Absolutely.
So let's jump right in.
Let's get right into it.
It's always exciting to delve into these predictions,
Especially
when we're looking so far ahead.
so far ahead.
It gives us a glimpse into how
How the landscape might evolve.
Yeah.
The crypto landscape.
it's a constantly shifting landscape for sure.
For sure.
Speaking of evolution, let's start with
A project.
a project that's become a cornerstone of DeFi.
It has. Oh.
One article predicts a possible price surge
Now shit towards $400.
towards $400, significantly up from its current $274.92.
Much higher.
Their reasoning,
Recent momentum.
and
And that peak it hit back in January.
back in January at $399.
Almost $400.
But there's this hurdle they keep mentioning.
I said
Resistance at $360.
that $360 mark.
Interesting.
It's a psychological barrier for traders.
Okay.
If a Kev can break through that
Hooray through that.
resistance.
It could signal
Smile.
a shift in market sentiment
Okay.
and trigger a significant upward movement.
So if it breaks through that 360, we could see it really jump up.
We could
We've seen this type of price action play out before.
time and time again in the crypto world.
So we need to keep a close eye on trading volume then. It's exactly.
And see if it can muster enough momentum
to break through.
to break through that.
And that's where it gets even more interesting.
Okay.
A PAF's future price might depend more
Depend more on
the overall market sentiment
the market as a whole.
than its own technological advancements.
Really?
Yeah.
So even with a
Strong foundation.
strong foundation.
A bearish market could hold it back,
Okay.
but a bullish wave,
Yeah.
a PAF could ride that
Ride that wave.
all the way to $400 or even beyond,
So it's less about the tech itself
in a way.
and more about being in the right place at the right time.
It highlights
It does.
the interconnected nature of the crypto market. Individual projects, even those as established as EVE,
As established as
can be heavily influenced by broader market trends.
the broader market trends. Fascinating.
Yeah.
Now onto a project.
With a devoted following.
Devoted following.
And some wildly different predictions.
Wildly different.
Cardano.
Cardano. The articles paint a mixed picture here.
Some analysts say it'll hover under $1,
Under $1.
while others are predicting a jump to over $10.
Over $10. And remember, it's currently sitting at 75 cents.
0.75297 to be exact.
Wow. You really know your numbers there.
There's one analyst
Oh, there's more.
who throws out a bold,
A bold prediction.
almost outlandish,
Outlandish prediction.
of $13.
$13.
Their logic.
What's the logic
They're
there?
comparing Cardano's potential to the Ethereum's explosive growth in the past.
Okay, so they're saying it could have that kind of meteoric rise.
They are.
Okay, $13 sounds like a moonshot, though,
It does.
especially in such a short time frame.
Especially
But
for...
I mean, we've all heard those stories about people who dismiss Bitcoin early on,
Oh, yeah.
probably kicking themselves now.
Probably.
So is this analyst's prediction pure hype?
What?
Or is there something more to it?
There are actually a
Okay.
couple of interesting factors
Okay, I'm listening.
fueling that $13 prediction.
Okay.
First, we're seeing a definite increase.
It's institutional interest
Institutional interest in Cardano.
in Cardano.
So more and more
more and more big investment funds,
big investment funds are adding ADA to their portfolios.
they are,
Okay.
which signals growing confidence
Growing confidence
in its long-term potential.
long-term potential. Okay, so big money is starting to take notice.
They are.
And then there's the
The whale activity.
whale activity.
Whale activity.
What is that like?
Well,
Like a crypto kraken rising from the depths.
not quite.
Okay.
Though it does have a similar impact.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Refers to the
Of those individuals or entities.
who hold massive amounts of ADA.
Massive amounts.
The whales.
Whales.
Okay, when we
We're seeing them
accumulating even more.
accumulating even more.
That type of activity often precedes significant price surges.
So they're like loading up. It's like they're anticipating something big.
They know something we don't.
Maybe.
So there's some real weight behind the optimism then.
There is.
But there must be challenges too, right?
You're absolutely right.
When even whales can just will the price to go up.
Even with whales and institutions on board,
Yeah.
Cardano still faces some
key resistance levels.
Some key resistance levels.
Those $84
And $1.25.
$1.25. Those are like checkpoints on the road to $13.
Okay.
Clearing them would build
So I didn't remember.
massive upward momentum.
What?
But getting stuck at any of those levels could stall things out.
Okay, so Cardano's a bit of a wait-and-see situation then.
It is.
We need to watch those resistance levels.
Yeah.
See if the whales can push it through.
See if they can.
This is getting good.
It is.
Now, what about Solana?
Solana.
That one seems to be making headlines.
For a different reason entirely.
Yeah, from what I've been reading.
Yeah.
It feels like the wild child of the crypto world.
It does huge potential.
Huge potential.
But prone to some dramatic swings.
Solana's definitely had a roller coaster ride lately.
Yes.
With some serious corrections.
Correct.
That have sent its price tumbling.
It's
trading well below $200.
significantly down from its all-time high.
It is.
But even after all that,
there
are analysts who remain incredibly bullish.
They do.
Predicting it could reach $1,000. $1,000 by 2025.
By 2025.
That's quite a rebound.
It is.
What's driving that kind of optimism, despite the recent downturn?
Well, it all comes down to two key factors.
Speed
and scalability. Solana is
blazing fast. Capable of processing thousands of transactions per second.
Thousands.
Which makes it incredibly attractive. For developers looking to build new applications.
On its platform.
We're seeing a real influx of talent.
And innovation.
Drawn to its ecosystem. So the fundamentals are there.
They are.
But I'm sensing a but coming.
There is.
There's always a but in crypto, isn't there?
There usually is.
What's the but?
Those pesky network outages.
Oh, the outages.
That have been plaguing the platform.
They've been in the news a lot.
They have.
A lot of those outages.
They've caused concern.
Fung investors,
yeah.
Raising questions about its long-term reliability.
This is where the
high risk, high reward label really comes into play.
It does.
So it's a classic balancing act.
It is.
If Solana can address these technical challenges, maintain its developer momentum,
and keep that momentum going,
it could be a major player.
It could, if those outages persist.
Yeah.
It could derail its progress.
Even with all that potential.
So it's just hard to know.
It's what makes analyzing these projects so fascinating. Mm-hmm. I'm hooked.
There's always a mix of tangible progress.
And
lingering uncertainty.
It's
a delicate dance.
Between
potential and risk.
Now, let's shift gears and talk about some of these newcomers.
The newcomers.
That caught your eye.
These articles mentioned a few projects.
Because they're doing things a little differently.
Yeah, and that's always exciting to see.
Always exciting.
Where should we start? Let's start with
BlockDAG.
It's not just about price speculation with this one. It's about a completely different way.
To earn crypto. One that leverages the power of community and connections.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
They've developed
a 5% cashback program. That pays out in USDT. The ideas are
simple yet brilliant.
I like it already. You share your unique referral link.
Okay.
People use your link to make purchases. And you earn a percentage back.
That's clever.
It is.
It's like turning your network into a crypto income stream.
Exactly.
And they've already generated a lot of buzz, haven't they?
They have.
One article mentioned their pre-sale.
Raised
over $193 million.
Over $193 million.
But is that sustainable?
Early signs.
Yeah.
Point two, yes. Their native token. BDA. Saw a massive increase in value during the pre-sale.
How massive are we talking?
We're talking a 2,380% jump.
A 2,380% jump.
It started at a mere fraction of a penny.
And
climbed all the way to 0.0248.
0.0248.
By the 27th batch.
Wow.
Those are some impressive numbers.
Those are some impressive numbers.
What's driving that kind of growth?
Yeah. Is it just hype, or is there something more substantial at play?
It's the combination.
The combination.
They have a clever incentive structure.
Right. And a powerful network effect.
Network effect.
Their affiliate program has no cap on referrals.
Okay.
Which encourages people to spread the word.
Spread the word.
And grow their earnings.
Grow their earnings.
And as more people
join the ecosystem.
Join that ecosystem. That network effect
becomes even stronger. I'm starting to see why this one caught your attention. It's a completely different approach. Focusing on community engagement.
Creating value. Through shared participation.
BlockDAG is definitely going on my watch list.
It's an interesting one.
Okay, what's the other newcomer that
piqued your interest?
Yeah, that piqued my interest.
This one is aiming to bridge a gap.
A gap.
That many have struggled with.
Okay.
The gap between traditional finance.
And
the world of DeFi. It's called DTX Exchange. That's ambitious.
It is.
A bridge between two worlds. That often seem at odds with each other.
They do.
How are they planning to pull that off?
They're building a platform
that offers a
staggering range
of financial instruments.
We're talking 120,000 options.
120,000.
Covering stocks, commodities, crypto, and more. They want to be a one-stop shop. For traders and investors.
Okay.
Bringing the accessibility of traditional markets to the world of DeFi.
That's a bold vision.
It is.
Almost overwhelming in its scope.
It's a lot to take in.
It sounds like they're trying to build a global marketplace for
everything.
What's the catch?
You're right.
There has to be a trade-off somewhere.
There's always a trade-off. In DTX Exchange's case, it's the high leverage they offer. Up to 1,000x.
1,000x.
This can be incredibly enticing for
traders looking to amplify their potential profits.
Yeah, they want to, but it also significantly increases the risk.
Yes. Yeah. Leverage. The double-edged sword. Of the trading world. It can magnify gains.
It can, but it can also amplify losses.
Just as quickly. Exactly.
They are, however, also emphasizing the importance of
speed and security.
I
mean, those are pretty important.
DTX Exchange is built on the Vulcan X blockchain. Which is specifically designed for
high-speed transactions.
And
robust security. And like BlockDAG?
Yes.
Their pre-sale performance has been strong.
Exceeding $13.5 million raised.
So DTX Exchange
offers this.
This tempting
blend of traditional market access
and DeFi
innovation. But that high leverage definitely comes with a warning label.
It does.
It's a reminder that in the crypto world,
as with
any investment, it's crucial to understand both.
The upside potential.
And
the downside risk. Informed decisions. Are the key in navigating this exciting yet volatile landscape. Speaking of innovation, there's one more project we need to discuss.
Okay, let's hear it.
Rexus Finance.
This
one really caught my eye.
This one's interesting.
Because it's doing something I haven't seen before.
Yes.
You know what it is?
Rexus Finance. They're taking the concept of tokenization and applying it to a market that's
ripe for disruption.
What
is it?
Real estate.
It's such a brilliant idea.
They're tokenizing real-world assets. Specifically property, making it possible to trade fractional ownership of buildings on the blockchain. Exactly.
It's like taking a piece of property and making it tradable.
They're tapping into a
massive market. Think about the sheer size and value of the global real estate industry. It's traditionally been a very
exclusive space
requiring significant capital
to participate.
Rexus
Finance is changing that.
They're changing that.
Making it possible for people to invest in real estate.
With much smaller
amounts of capital.
It's democratizing access.
To an
asset class.
that has historically been out of reach for many.
Out of reach for so many.
And their pre-sale numbers reflect that excitement.
They've sold out.
They sold out every stage.
Every stage.
Raising over $445 million.
That level of success isn't just hype.
It points to real demand.
Real demand.
For what Rexus Finance is offering.
What they're offering.
They've tapped into a desire for
accessibility,
transparency, and fractional ownership.
A fractional ownership.
It feels like a turning point.
It does.
Where blockchain technology
just to move beyond just
digital currency. And into the real world. Reshaping traditional industries.
Opening up new possibilities.
Their
token,
RXS,
is also generating a lot of buzz.
One article even predicted it could explode in value.
Post-listing. Possibly seeing a 200x return.
200x.
Those types of predictions are always speculative.
They are.
But the underlying fundamentals
of Rexus
Finance are strong. They've identified a real need in the market.
And are offering a solution
that is both
innovative
and practical.
It's
certainly a project
worth watching closely. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
We've explored established players.
Like Aave and
Cardano delved into intriguing newcomers.
Like BlockDAG and DTX Exchange.
And even touched on
the game-changing
potential of Rexus Finance. We have only just scratched the surface. There's so much more to explore in the crypto world. And we'll continue our deep dive into these projects and trends
in the next part
of this episode.
We can't wait to dive even deeper. But before we move on, a quick reminder to you, our listener.
This
deep dive is just a starting point for your own research.
The
crypto world is constantly evolving. So it's crucial
to stay informed
and make your own assessment.
Absolutely. We're here to provide insights and analysis.
But ultimately,
your crypto journey
is your own. And remember,
the crypto world
moves fast. So buckle up and enjoy the ride.
It's fascinating to see how these projects are kind of redefining what it means to earn in the crypto space. You know, BlockDAG with its referral program, Rexus Finance with its tokenized real estate. It's not just about holding and hoping for price increases anymore.
It really feels like a shift from just a passive investor mindset. To one of active participation.
Absolutely.
It's about engaging with these ecosystems.
Contributing to their growth. And in turn, generating value.
That's a key insight.
The
crypto landscape is evolving beyond
speculation.
Beyond just speculation.
It's becoming about utility.
Community
unlocking new opportunities.
Through
active involvement.
That's
a really important point.
It's a reminder that crypto isn't just about the
tech itself.
The technology.
It's about the people.
The people using it.
And the innovative ways they're finding to create value.
Now, while we're excited about these newcomers, let's not forget about those established players. Like a Javan and Cardano.
They're not standing still either.
No, they are not.
Remember,
Java's at the forefront of
lending
and borrowing
in the DeFi space.
It's
a fundamental building block. This new financial ecosystem.
And its importance can't be overstated. And
Cardano, with its rigorous approach to peer-reviewed research and development.
They're constantly
pushing the boundaries
of what's possible with blockchain technology.
Absolutely.
One of the articles highlighted how Cardano's future success hinges on
attracting
institutional interest.
And
those crypto whales we talked about earlier. And the interesting thing is,
we're already seeing evidence of both.
We're seeing both.
More and more institutional players are recognizing Cardano's potential
and
adding ADA to their portfolios.
And those whales,
they're
accumulating ADA
at a steady pace,
which suggests they see its long-term value.
So the pieces seem to be falling into place for Cardano.
They seem to be.
But as we discussed earlier, those key resistance levels.
At $1.84.7. and $1.25 more
are crucial hurdles.
They need to be cleared.
They need to be cleared for it to truly take off.
It's like a test of...
It is a test of strength.
Can those whales push Cardano past these barriers?
Can they push it through?
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell. It's a reminder that even with
positive fundamentals
and growing institutional interest, technical factors still play a significant role in price movements.
Absolutely.
Crypto markets.
They're
influenced by
a multitude of factors.
Predicting price action.
With certainty. Is impossible.
Is impossible.
Speaking of complexity, let's circle back to Solana. Despite those network outages we mentioned, it continues to attract
developers and innovative projects.
There was even one analyst who boldly predicted it could hit $1,000 by 2025.
Yeah, that's a bold prediction.
It is a bold prediction.
No doubt. But
if Solana can address those technical challenges,
if they can fix those outages
and demonstrate consistently reliable network. And speed and scalability advantages could indeed propel it to new heights. It all comes down to execution. Potential is there.
The potential is there.
The technology is impressive.
But can they deliver?
Can they deliver on their promises?
And build a robust platform
that developers and users can rely on?
That's the million-dollar question.
It applies to all of these projects, really, in the world of crypto. Potential is just the starting point.
It's the execution.
The
community.
And the ability to adapt and overcome challenges that ultimately determine
success or failure.
So for you, our listener,
the key takeaway is to look beyond the hype. And the price predictions. Dig deeper. Understand the fundamentals. Assess the team. And consider the long-term vision
of each project.
Don't just chase the latest trends. Or get swept up.
Don't get swept up.
In the excitement
of potential gains. Informed decisions. Based on solid research.
And a clear understanding
of the risks involved.
Are crucial. In this space.
Remember, knowledge.
Knowledge is power.
Especially in the fast-paced and often unpredictable world of crypto.
The more you know,
the better equipped you'll be to navigate the volatility. And identify
those truly promising opportunities. Speaking of opportunities, let's shift gears for a moment. And talk about a project we haven't discussed in detail yet. DTX Exchange.
Yes.
The ambitious project aiming to bridge the gap.
The ambitious project.
Between traditional finance and DeFi. It's a bold undertaking. Attempting to merge two worlds. That often operate with different rules and expectations. One of the things that caught my attention about DTX Exchange is their plan to offer
over 120,000 different financial instruments.
Wow. 120,000.
Think about that for a second.
Okay, I'm thinking about it. Stocks,
commodities,
crypto,
all accessible through a single platform
built on the speed and security
of the
Vulcan-X blockchain. It sounds like they're building a global financial marketplace. Bringing the vastness and diversity
of traditional markets
to
the world of DeFi.
It's a level of ambition. We haven't seen from many other projects.
No, we haven't. And it's that ambition.
It is.
Coupled with their focus on
speed, security, And a user-friendly interface.
A user-friendly interface.
It makes DTX exchange that's an intriguing prospect.
Intriguing prospect.
They're not just replicating what already exists.
Yeah.
They're aiming to create something entirely new.
Entirely new.
But let's not forget that high leverage.
That high leverage.
They offer
up to 1,000x.
As we've discussed.
Leverage.
Leverage is a double-edged sword.
It is.
It can amplify gains.
But it also magnifies losses.
Just as quickly.
Just as quickly.
Precisely.
DTX exchange.
DTX exchange
is not for the faint of heart.
It's not.
It's a platform that caters to
experienced traders.
Experienced traders.
Who understand the complexities of leverage and risk management.
Who understand those complexities.
For those who are comfortable navigating those waters. However, DTX exchange offers a level of trading flexibility and access that is unmatched.
Unmatched in the crypto space.
In the crypto space.
So it's a platform for
the bold.
The bold.
The strategic.
The strategic.
Those who are willing to embrace both the opportunities and the risks.
The opportunities and the risks.
To come with high leverage trading.
It's a reminder that the crypto space is
constantly evolving.
Constantly evolving.
Pushing boundaries.
Pushing boundaries and creating new possibilities.
Creating new possibilities. What was once considered
radical
or impossible.
Is now becoming reality.
This
evolution isn't just about technology.
It's about shifting mindsets.
Shifting mindsets.
Challenging traditional financial systems. And empowering individuals. To take control of their financial destinies. It's about
creating a more inclusive and accessible financial future.
Where opportunities are no longer limited. By geography, background, or access to traditional financial institutions.
And that's a vision worth exploring.
It is.
Now, before we move on to our final thoughts, I want to touch on a topic that often gets overlooked. In the excitement of crypto.
Yes, the elephant in the room.
What's that?
Regulation.
Regulation is a complex and evolving issue.
It is.
That every crypto investor needs to be aware of.
Absolutely.
We're seeing governments around the world grapple with how to approach this new asset class.
How to approach it.
Some are taking a more cautious and restrictive approach. While others are embracing the innovation and potential
of crypto.
The
regulatory landscape
is still
very much in flux.
And
it's something we'll continue to monitor closely. It's important to stay informed. About the latest developments. And understand.
How potential regulations
could impact
your crypto investments. It's a reminder that crypto, for all its potential to disrupt and revolutionize, still operates within a larger financial and legal framework.
It does.
And navigating that framework
requires vigilance. Awareness.
And a willingness to adapt.
As the rules of the game continue to evolve.
So to you, our listener.
We encourage you to
stay informed. You're not just about the latest projects and price movements, but also about
the regulatory landscape.
And how it might shape
the future of crypto. Knowledge is your best defense against uncertainty. And your greatest asset. In navigating the complexities of this exciting
and ever-changing world. Oh, yeah.
Now, let's shift gears again. And talk about something that's been on my mind lately.
Okay.
The convergence of crypto and artificial intelligence. It feels like we're standing
at the intersection.
Of two incredibly powerful
technological forces. It's a convergence that holds immense potential.
It does.
Both in terms of
opportunities
and challenges.
Imagine
AI-powered trading bots.
AI-powered trading bot that can analyze market trends with lightning speed.
And execute trades with precision. Or AI-driven security systems.
That can detect and prevent.
Fraud and hacks, making crypto transactions even more secure. And think about the potential of AI to personalize
financial services. Providing tailored investment advice.
And creating a more
inclusive and accessible financial system.
Inclusive and accessible financial system.
It's not just about efficiency and automation.
It's about
leveraging the power of AI.
Yeah, to make
crypto user-friendly.
More user-friendly.
More user-friendly.
Accessible.
And beneficial.
For
everyone.
For everyone.
But as with any powerful technology,
there are also potential risks.
There are.
AI algorithms.
AI algorithms can be biased.
They can be biased, and their decisions can have unintended consequences.
Absolutely.
We need to ensure that as we integrate AI
into the crypto space,
we do so
responsibly, ethically, and with the focus on
transparency
and fairness.
It's a reminder that
technology is a tool. Its impact depends on how we choose to use it. We have a responsibility.
To ensure that this convergence
of crypto and AI
benefits humanity as a whole. And that brings us to another crucial aspect of the crypto world.
Absolutely.
The power of community. Crypto is more than just technology.
It's a global community.
A global community of individuals
who believe in a
decentralized,
transparent, and equitable future. You've seen how projects like BlockDAG
are leveraging the power
of community to fuel their growth.
Creating a system where everyone can benefit.
Yeah.
Through participation and shared success. And Rex's Finance, with its focus on democratizing access to real estate investment, is building a community
around shared values.
Yeah. And a vision for a more inclusive financial system.
Community is the heart and soul of crypto.
It's what drives
innovation, adoption, and ultimately the success of these projects.
It's a reminder that crypto is not just about
code
and algorithms.
It's about people.
Connections and a shared belief.
In the power of technology.
To
create positive change.
It's
about building a better future together. Now, as we wrap up
this part of our deep dive,
I want to leave you, our listener, with one final thought.
Okay, let's hear that final thought.
The crypto world
is full of
complexity, insidious risks and uncertainties.
But amidst all of that, there's an incredible sense of possibility. Feeling that we're on the cusp
of something.
Truly transformative. It's a feeling
that's both exciting and a little daunting. But it's a journey worth taking.
It is.
So to you, our listener,
we encourage you.
Stay curious.
Stay
informed. And stay engaged. The future of crypto is being written right now.
It is. And you have the opportunity to be a part of it. And who knows? You might just discover the next big thing.
So we've explored some potential winners.
Yeah.
Aave, Cardano, Solana, BlockDAG, DTX Exchange.
Rex's Finance, we've analyzed their strengths, highlighted their challenges.
Tried to make sense of those sometimes wildly different predictions for 2025.
But let's zoom out for a moment and consider the bigger picture.
I think that's a crucial step.
Yeah.
Focusing too much on individual projects can sometimes
obscure
the larger trends.
That are shaping
the entire crypto landscape.
Exactly. So what are those key trends that we should be watching?
In 2025?
And beyond. What are the forces that are going to shape the future of this space?
I see one trend that stands out above all others.
What's that?
Convergence. We're witnessing the convergence of different technologies. Each with its own unique potential coming together to create something entirely new and transformative.
That's a fascinating concept. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure.
What kind of convergence are we talking about?
Well, we've already touched on
the convergence of crypto and AI.
But there's so much more.
Wow.
The metaverse is rapidly evolving, blurring the lines between
the physical and digital worlds.
Web3 is reimagining the internet. Giving users more control over their data and their online experiences.
And the Internet of Things.
Connecting
billions of devices.
Millions of devices.
Creating a vast network
of interconnected data and possibilities.
Wow. It's like all these different technological threads are weaving together, creating a tapestry of innovation that's going to reshape our world.
And crypto is at the heart of it all.
Crypto is at the heart of it all.
It's the foundation for a more decentralized, secure and transparent internet.
Okay.
The backbone for these emerging technologies to interact and flourish.
So what does this convergence mean for you, our listener? What should they be paying attention to as these trends unfold?
It means that the opportunities in the crypto space are going to expand exponentially.
It's
not just about investing in tokens anymore.
Right.
It's about understanding how these technologies are converging.
Okay.
And how they're going to impact every aspect of our lives.
Every aspect.
From finance to healthcare.
To entertainment.
To the way we interact with the world around us.
It's about embracing the future.
It is.
Not just observing it from the sidelines.
Exactly. It's about recognizing that crypto is not just a niche technology. It's a fundamental shift. In how we think about value. Trust. And the way we interact with each other in a digital world.
Okay, that's given me a lot to think about now.
Now.
Before we wrap things up. Is there one final provocative thought?
What if the true potential of crypto goes far beyond financial gains?
Beyond financial gain.
What if it's about empowering individuals? Giving them more control.
More control over
their data. Their finances. I mean, ultimately their lives.
That's a powerful idea.
It shifts the focus.
From speculation and profit.
To something much more fundamental. Individual empowerment and control.
In a world that's
becoming increasingly centralized.
Centralized and dominated by
large institutions.
Imagine a world
where your personal data is truly yours. Securely stored and controlled.
By you.
Not by tech giants or governments. Imagine a financial system.
That's accessible
to everyone.
Regardless
of their background or location. One that empowers individuals to build wealth and achieve financial freedom.
It's a vision of a more
equitable and decentralized future. Where technology serves humanity.
Not the other way around.
And that's a future.
Worth fighting for. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive. We've analyzed projects.
Explored trends.
Considered the broader implications of crypto for the future of finance.
Technology and society.
We've highlighted the opportunities, the risks.
And the importance of informed decision-making.
But ultimately,
it's up to you, our listener,
to decide what this all means for you.
Your crypto journey is your own.
So do your research.
Stay informed.
And most importantly, stay curious.
The crypto world is constantly evolving.
And the possibilities are endless.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. Until next time, happy exploring.